Dear friends, you must have heard lives of great men all remind us we can make our life sublime and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. I really believe that I should have developed such a great skill so that when I pass away from this planet Earth, I could really leave some footprints so that the millions of the people would have followed me. But that needs a lot of basic fundamentals, the first principles in life. You have to be trained by some people right from the childhood so that you generate that creativity, that imagination faculty of mind. Unless such background is there, it is very difficult to really become a great inventor or scientist. There has to be some, association, some kind of connection, or some kind of self motive, and some kind of such stimulants. Otherwise, it is very difficult. With my background as a rural family, a poor man's son, it was very difficult to get even a square meal. I was pushed into physics. I did wonders with honors and breaking the records in theoretical physics of the two universities, joining IIT, getting my doctorate of physics, doctorate of philosophy in physics and meteorology from IIT Kharagpur. All this waste because I didn't get a proper trainer and a goal setter where I can really do a lot more. Today I hear about the first principle of Elon Musk and so many great people who have done tremendous service to the mankind, giving the best cars, Steve Jobs, giving the best iPhone and so many other equipments, and now going to make the most intelligent, the artificial intelligent self-driven cars. My dream has been now to become such a great man, but it's too late now. I am already 66. So I inspire the coming generation, particularly the parents. Don't push your children just to become a wealthy man or to become administrator or to become police officer, but inspire them to become a really great inventor, a great discoverer. So they should go to the right person where they can learn from the childhood how to use their faculty of mind, because it is the power of the mind which can really create such kind of inventions and discovery. We are basically following analogy, or you can say conformists. We are mediocres and we just routine type work we do. Nothing big is done. You see, the most talented people try to become Indian Forest Office or Indian Foreign Services, Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Services, but what they are doing? They are nothing doing. They are just doing some manipulations here and there. But had they been taking the challenges to become some scientist, some creative person, then India will have a different future. The best brains are going for such kind of lucrative job, attractive job, where there is opportunity to become very corrupt. All these kind of top level officers, there are very few who have honesty, integrity, morality and character. Rather they want more money, because India is a country where the corruption is rampant. Right from the top, politicians to the bottom line, the industrialists and all, the basic fabrics of getting approval for different industries is corruption. Unless you bribe the officials, you cannot get your project approved, or even you cannot get your payment in time, what work you have done. And these best brains are wasting their time. See, whatever I am today, it is become my self-motivation. So I want to inspire people. Value your life, know the meaning of your life. Everyone is working very hard, particularly honest and sincere person like me, who always claim to be a man with self-discipline, self-control, with self-inspiration, motivation, belief and faith, self-reliant person, but goal was not that big to become an inventor like Elon Musk, or to be like Bezos, or to be like, So many great people, best known. See, these people were trained from childhood, and there is a lot of sad part of our universities and colleges. Even the best degrees you are getting from the reputed institution in India, they are manipulators. If you verify all these things which are reported, they are all false and lies. They are copying from different authors. Reality, they have not performed even the experiments. So sad part of it. So it is very difficult, but I regret. I want to be a very useful, very creative, and very supportive person so that India, that way the whole world can be benefited. And it was not that bad, my friends. India has produced so many great S.N. Bose, J.C. Bose, D.N. Bose, and then C.V. Raman, and Meghna Saha, and then, so many great inventors, nuclear scientists, space scientists, Abdul Kalam, and so many great people, Sarabhai. So that kind of dream I had in my life. But I think my life is not at all very useful and productive to the mankind, because I don't like to live like a cattle. As it is said, in this world, broad field of battle in the bivouac of life, be not a dumb-driven cattle, be a hero in the strife. I'm working very hard. But I'm becoming a thinker and philosopher, Buddha and Vivekananda. The world needs some inventions and discoveries to make their life comfortable. Who want to become Buddha? Suppose I'm Buddha, what do you want to learn? How many people want to follow the path of truth, justice, peace, love, non-violence, kindness, compassion, honesty, integrity, humility, generosity, cooperation? How many people love? People hate. They are fully saturated with the evil thoughts of greed, anger, hatred, jealousy, and cynical thoughts. So I've taken this challenge because here I can really do something. But how many people are watching my videos also? If you put some sexual sins or put some articles of daily use, they will be attracted towards that. Even I see some of the great authors who are teaching some kind of fundamentals of life living, they put the headlines which is wrong. They are writing how to do sex, how to have intercourse, but the inside the story is different. Cheat, corruption everywhere. Nobody like to be enlightened, nobody like to be educated. Otherwise, why there will be war, why there will be hate, why there will be casteism, regionalism, all these evils in the society. So I have taken this challenge to make a transformation in the social fabrics, and that way establish the kingdom of God on earth, where there is a peace, where there is a love, where there is affinity, where there is affection, where there is a caring and sharing and harmonious relations. No caste, no creed, no race, no religion. These are divisive society. They are discriminating one group from another. And that is the root cause of evils and devils. And these devils, the terrorists, the criminals, and the evil souls, they are trained. Rather, I should request these people, train them to be a great human being first, and then a great scientist, a great inventor. This is my desire. My life has been wasted. I could not do great service to the mankind. Thanks to Honorable Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, Manavratna, the pride of humanity, the pride of mankind, who gave me this opportunity to at least inspire people to take up this challenge to become a very good citizen of India, to the wonderful person which belongs to the world of the rank of Subhas Bose, Bhagat Singh Chandrasekhar Azad, Lal Walpal, Subhas Bose, Bhagat Singh Chandrasekhar Azad, brave hearts, lion hearts. Thank you, viewers. If you could not become a great inventor, become a great human being. Be truthful, be honest, be sincere. Minimum that is in your control. Thank you, viewers. I thank you very much.